Okay, so we're just looking at a really short topic for trigonometry, which is called area of a triangle. Sorry about the bumping there. Okay, so we've got our normal triangle, and back when you're in year 7 or 8, you learnt the triangle was base times height over 2 or half base times height. Doesn't matter which one you learn. So the base is on the bottom and the height is the perpendicular height to the top. Okay? So the height is the perpendicular height. Okay, so that's the normal. We'll try to use trigonometry. Okay, so I draw a triangle and I use my vertices to label the edges, label the vertices, and then opposite A is A, opposite C is C, and opposite B is B. So obviously this is going to be the base of the triangle. That's pretty straightforward. And I've put a little height inside the triangle which is perpendicular. Now, from this angle here, okay, this is angle C, the height is the opposite, and A is the hypotenuse. So that means that sine C is H over A, because that's the opposite over the hypotenuse. So that's straightforward. Okay, so making H the subject, you cross multiply the A across, so you end up with height equals A times sine C. Now you go back to the previous page, area of a triangle equals half base times height. Now the base, by coincidence, I've used the letter B, which is nice. And then I just drop down height as A sine C, and then I just take it back to alphabetical order, so I end up with half AB sine C. So you've got two sides and the angle that's in between them. So I'll just draw that again on another page. Just wait a sec. So that was A, that was C, that was B. So as long as you've got two sides and the angle in between, we call that the included angle. So that's the included angle. If you have two sides and the angle in between them, you can find the area of the triangle. Okay? So again, you'll just write it down on your cheat sheet. Half AB sine C. Okay, so you need two sides and the angle in between them. Okay? And that's how it's straightforward. So I'll just give it one quick example. Okay, so I'm going to say that's 30, that's 45. Again, I'm just making numbers up. 6, 7, 6, and I don't know what this side is. It doesn't matter. But this angle here is not used because it's not included. Okay, so the area would be a half times 6 times 7 times sine 30. Okay, so half of 642. Half, I'm just doing it on my head, so half of 42 is 21, sorry. 6, 7 is 42. So it's 21 times sine 30. And on your calculator, I reckon that's 10.5. And the units are centimetres squared. Okay, so you will be penalised if you don't put the units in. Okay, and that's how easy it is to use. All you need is two sides and the angle that's in between them. Okay, any other information is not needed. Okay, that's it. Bye.